stop wondering if your dog's acting weird because of age. Let's find out if midlife crises are a thing for our pups. So can dogs really experience midlife crises? Well, not exactly like us humans. But around ages 5 to 7, some dogs can show changes in behavior. But don't worry, this doesn't mean Fido's dreaming of a sports car or a new puppy friend. Often, it's just a sign of aging or health changes. Regular vet checkups can help spot any issues early. And keeping them active with walks and playtime can keep their spirits high. So, next time your dog's acting a bit off, just remember, it's probably not a midlife crisis. Just give them some extra love and attention. They'll thank you with wagging tails and sloppy kisses. Thanks for watching, and give your dog a belly rub from us.